Quality and process control, integral aspects of manufacturing and operations management that ensure products and services meet the desired standards of quality. These practices are designed to identify defects, prevent variability, and improve the overall efficiency of processes, contributing to higher customer satisfaction and consistent output. Quality and process control refers to the systems and techniques used to monitor and control the various elements of a production process to ensure that the end product meets the required quality standards. It involves inspecting raw materials, monitoring processes, measuring product specifications, and implementing corrective actions when needed. Quality control. QC focuses on identifying defects in finished products through inspection, testing, and validation. This process ensures that products meet predefined standards or specifications. Process control. Process control is the practice of maintaining and adjusting various process parameters, e.g., temperature, pressure, speed, to ensure consistent production quality. It aims to reduce variability, maintain stability, and optimize efficiency within production processes. Who uses quality and process control? Production managers and operators. They are responsible for implementing process control measures and ensuring that production lines meet quality standards. Quality control inspectors. These professionals inspect and test products to ensure they comply with specifications. Quality assurance teams. QA teams focus on implementing and maintaining systems that uphold consistent quality across products and processes. Engineers. They design and optimize processes to meet quality standards and improve efficiency. Executives and leadership. They oversee and ensure that quality control and process management are aligned with business objectives, and they make strategic decisions based on process performance metrics. When is quality and process control applied? During production. Process control is applied throughout production to ensure that processes remain stable and quality standards are continuously met. For example, monitoring the temperature in a molding process to prevent defects. Pre-production. Quality control measures may be applied before production starts, such as inspecting raw materials to ensure they meet specified criteria. Post-production. After production, quality control checks are performed on finished products to verify that they meet customer requirements. Ongoing monitoring. Continuous process monitoring occurs during production to quickly detect any deviations from standard processes, allowing for prompt corrective actions. During audits or reviews. Periodic assessments or audits are conducted to review the effectiveness of quality and process control systems. Where is quality and process control applied? Manufacturing. Factories use process control to manage production lines, reduce defects, and ensure consistent product quality. Service industries. In sectors like hospitality, healthcare, and customer support, quality control helps ensure that services meet customer expectations and regulatory standards. Construction. In construction projects, quality control ensures that materials and processes meet safety and quality standards. Automotive. Automotive companies use process control to ensure the consistency of components, safety features, and assembly processes. Food and beverage. This industry relies on strict quality and process control to ensure that products meet safety and regulatory standards. Why is quality and process control important? By controlling processes and monitoring quality, organizations ensure that products and services are consistent and meet the same high standards every time. Meeting quality expectations leads to higher customer satisfaction, repeat business, and positive reviews, which are critical for a company's reputation. Effective process control reduces waste, rework, and product returns, saving the company time and money. Quality and process control help organizations meet industry regulations and standards, avoiding legal issues and penalties. Consistently delivering high-quality products or services enables companies to differentiate themselves in the market and attract more customers. The initiatives allow for ongoing monitoring and improvement of operations, helping companies adapt to changing market needs. How is quality and process control implemented? 1. Establish clear quality expectations based on customer requirements, industry standards, or internal specifications. 2. Choose appropriate process control techniques, such as statistical process control, automated systems, or manual inspections. 3. Provide training to employees to ensure they understand the importance of quality and process control and how to implement control measures. 4. Continuously monitor production processes and inspect products to ensure they align with quality standards. 5. Collect and analyze data to detect variations in processes and identify potential issues. 6. When quality deviations occur, implement corrective actions to restore the process to its desired state. 7. Use the data from quality control and process monitoring to drive continuous improvement initiatives aimed at reducing waste, improving efficiency, and enhancing quality. In conclusion, quality and process control are vital to the success of any manufacturing or service-oriented organization. These practices ensure that products meet customer expectations, comply with industry regulations, and are produced efficiently. By focusing on proactive monitoring, identifying defects early, and continuously improving processes, companies can maintain high-quality standards, reduce costs, and strengthen customer loyalty. Proper implementation of quality and process control requires a clear understanding of techniques, collaboration across teams, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Through these efforts, organizations can achieve operational excellence and secure long-term success.
This quiz is designed to help you assess your current understanding and commitment to learning about quality and process control in an operational context. By answering these questions, you will get a sense of how well you grasp the concepts and how motivated you are to improve your knowledge of quality assurance and process optimization. 1. How familiar are you with the concept of quality control and process control in manufacturing or operations? A. I have very little knowledge of QC and process control. B. I know the basic concept of QC and process control. 2. How often do you engage in learning activities related to improving product or process quality? A. I don't engage in learning about quality or process control. B. Occasionally, I might read articles or attend a training session related to quality control. C. I make an effort to learn about quality and process control methods through courses, books, or workshops. D. I am deeply committed to continuous learning and regularly seek opportunities to improve my knowledge and skills related to quality and process control. 3. In your current or past roles, how have you used quality control methods to influence outcomes? A. I haven't used any quality control methods in my role. B. I occasionally check for defects or inconsistencies but don't use formal methods. C. I regularly monitor quality through established QC tools, such as inspections or control charts, to maintain consistency. D. I consistently use advanced quality control methodologies, such as Six Sigma or statistical process control, to proactively manage quality and improve processes. 4. How well do you understand the concept of statistical process control, SPC, and how it helps monitor production quality? A. I have never heard of statistical process control. B. I've heard of SPC but don't fully understand how it works. C. I have a basic understanding of SPC and have used it to monitor quality in processes. D. I have a deep understanding of SPC and can use it to analyze, track, and control production processes effectively. 5. When facing quality issues in a project or production process, how do you typically respond? A. I don't typically handle or address quality issues. B. I acknowledge quality issues but don't know the best approach to resolve them. C. I identify quality issues and apply basic corrective measures such as rework or additional inspections. D. I systematically analyze quality issues, using tools like root cause analysis, to implement long-term improvements and prevent recurrence. 6. How comfortable are you with using data and metrics to monitor and improve process quality? A. I'm not comfortable with using data or metrics to monitor process quality. B. I use data occasionally, but I don't always know how to interpret or apply it effectively. C. I regularly use metrics, such as yield rates or defect counts, to monitor quality and suggest improvements. D. I am very comfortable using data and metrics to track and optimize process quality, and I proactively seek to improve processes using data-driven insights. 7. How often do you evaluate processes for potential improvements or optimizations? A. I rarely evaluate processes for improvements. B. I occasionally suggest minor improvements but don't actively seek opportunities. C. I frequently assess processes for improvement opportunities and suggest changes to enhance quality. D. I actively lead process optimization initiatives and use tools like Lean, Kaizen, or Six Sigma to drive continuous improvement. 8. How important do you think quality and process control are to overall business success? A. I don't think quality and process control are particularly important. B. I understand their importance, but I don't always see the direct impact on business success. C. I recognize that quality and process control are important to maintaining consistency and customer satisfaction. D. I believe that quality and process control are critical to business success, and I prioritize them in every aspect of operations. 9. Do you actively participate in quality improvement teams or initiatives in your workplace? A. I do not participate in quality improvement initiatives. B. I sometimes participate but don't play an active role. C. I actively contribute to quality improvement teams or initiatives, offering insights and suggestions. D. I consistently lead or play a key role in quality improvement initiatives, driving results and change. 10. How motivated are you to develop your knowledge and skills in quality control and process improvement? A. I'm not very motivated to learn more about quality control or process improvement. B. I have some interest in learning more, but I haven't prioritized it. C. I am motivated and actively seek to expand my knowledge of quality control and process improvement. D. I am highly motivated to master quality control and process improvement methodologies and am committed to applying them in my work. Scoring guide. Mostly A's. Low commitment. You may have limited exposure to quality control and process control. Consider taking steps to learn more about these concepts and their importance in operations and manufacturing. Mostly B's. Moderate commitment. You have a basic understanding of quality and process control, but there's room to deepen your knowledge and application. Explore resources, training, or mentorship to improve your skills. Mostly C's. High commitment. You are actively engaged in quality control and process improvement and are well on your way to mastering these concepts. Continue your learning journey and apply what you know to drive improvements. Mostly D's. Very high commitment. You have a strong understanding of quality and process control and are highly committed to continuous improvement. Keep developing your expertise and sharing your knowledge with others to help optimize processes. Next steps. By completing this quiz, you've gained insight into your current commitment level to learning about quality and process control. Based on your results, consider setting a goal to explore it in more depth. Whether you're new to it or have experience with it, identifying areas for improvement can help you better contribute to process improvement and organizational success. Send your score to the email listed in the comments section and become part of our ecosystem for further future developments.